Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a specific certificate or all certificates on Android. If in the past you imported a certificate onto your Android device because an app or a network required the certificate to run, and now you no longer use the app or network anymore, and therefore you now want to remove the certificate, then all you need to do is follow along in this video. In this video, I'll remove a network certificate for a VPN. So to remove a certificate or all certificates, the first thing we'll need to do is open up our Android settings app. Locate your Android settings app and tap on it to open. My Android settings app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've done that, scroll until you see security and privacy and tap on it. Again, scroll to the bottom until you see more security and privacy and tap on it. Again, scroll to the very bottom and tap on encryption and credentials. To clear a single or specific certificates, you'll need to tap on User Credentials, which allows you to view and modify stored credentials. If you want to clear all certificates, you'll need to tap on Clear Credentials, which will remove all certificates. Let's say you wanted to remove a single certificate, then simply tap on User Credentials. As you can see, I only have one certificate, and it's called Certificate for IKEv2 VPN and then the IP address of my IPsec VPN server. Underneath, you can see it's installed for VPN and apps, which is what the certificate was purposed for. Now, if I wanted to clear this single certificate, I'd simply tap on it, and then I would be able to see the credential details, and you can see this entry contains one user key, one user certificate, and one CA certificate. To uninstall this certificate, I would simply tap on Uninstall. Now, I'm not going to remove this certificate right now, as I want to clear it using Clear Certificates. So I'm just going to tap on Done. However, you can uninstall it if you wanted to. I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to show you how to clear all credentials, also known as removing all certificates. So I'm just going to tap on Clear Credentials. It will then ask you for your attention, remove all contents. You can tap on Cancel or OK. I'm going to tap on OK. And there we go. Credential storage has now been cleared. As you can see, Clear Credentials is now grayed out, meaning we have no certificates currently stored on our Android device. So now let's say if I go back to User Credentials to clear a specific certificate by tapping on it, you can see that I have no user credentials installed on my Android device. And there we go. That concludes the video on how to remove custom certificates on Android. That includes a specific certificate or all certificates. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?